Okay, so in number 9, we are still using the fact that 3 angles of a triangle add up to be 180 degrees. So who did this problem? Who like really, okay, what'd you do to set up the problem? Oh, that is great. Okay, so Kaylee said she took these 3 angles, 74, 58, and 4x, and she knows that they add together to be 180. Okay, just like you did on that little green piece of paper.
Yeah.
Okay, just like you did on that green piece of paper, we can take 74 and 58 and add them together. Which I don't want to add those in my head. What is it? Huh? 132. Okay. Austin, what are we going to do with the 132?
Minus.
Okay, so just like in our other problems, we need a minus 132. And now we have 4x equals 180. So this is the part that's a little bit different. Kanaya says we need to divide by 4. Why are we dividing by 4? Yes, 4 is being multiplied to x. So to undo the multiplication, we're going to do the inverse operation, and we're going to divide by 4. Oh, people, what's 180 minus 132? Was that 48? I'm so sorry. I did not write 48, did I? Kaden, you failed me.
Oh, wow.
All right, Kaden, what's 48 divided by 4? Okay. If you did not do number 9, you wrote that down with me. If you did number 9, can you make sure that your answer matches the one that we just got?
Oh.
Okay, what I want to do is I want to go through number 8 together. So on page 1, I want you to turn back to page 1. We did not do example number 8. That's what we're going to do. Okay. What do you notice about number 8? There's a lot of x's. A lot of x's in number 8. Yeah. Okay. Does the fact that 3 angles add up to 180 change? No. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to take this angle, 5x plus 1. And we're going to take this angle, 14x. And we're going to take this angle, 4x minus 5. And what operation do we need to put there? We need to add these 3 things together. And when we add them together, what should they equal? 180. They represent 3 angles of a triangle. When we add them together, they're going to equal 180. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and erase all my highlights. Okay. Notice how I didn't put those parentheses in there. The parentheses are just saying, hey, this is one angle. Hey, this is one angle. Hey, this is another angle. We don't actually need to write them in. Okay. Man. Oh, she's using great language. Say it louder.
Combine louder.
Kanaya says we need to combine like terms. So if we're combining like terms, what is a like term of 5x? Anything else?
4x.
Okay, and Cash, you already told me how much is that?
23x.
So we can add all of our x's together to get 23x. Well, then we have this plus 1 and this minus 5. When we combine those, what does that get us? Yeah, -4, you're right with the negative. Okay. So I want to make sure that you have written down, now we have 23x minus 4 on the left side. And it equals 180. Tatum says we -4 from both sides. Tatum's not sure. He says minus, then he says add, then he says minus, then he says add. Which one is it? Me. Which one? Peyton. If we have -4, how do we undo minus? Peyton. Peyton, I've asked you a question. Okay. The inverse of subtraction is to add.
Right.
Right. Yeah. I need to pay attention.
I didn't hear you. You all the way over there.
So now we have 23x equals 184. Austin, I think he just mumbled, we have to divide. Lainey, how do you feel about that? Cash, why are we dividing? I'm gonna have you try that again.
So I'm at multiplication.
Okay, 23 is being multiplied to x. So to undo it, we're gonna divide by 23. So x equals 8. Yeah,